carry my mama go hospital.
I'm
My mother
voting
no
for voting for my president.
My Nigeria people don't bring no bonga bishop news story. My name Nandehi. And make a sharply yarn on a sontori wey say it just happened. The Nigerian police talk person wey name be Prince Olumiyiwa Adejobi don come dey talk say Nigerians dey to pay ransom to kidnappers. They say na crime for inside Nigeria. As in talk say the family or the people they say they kidnap, not they carry Nigerian police along. Say because the kidnappers and they always they threaten them. Say if they let police know, say they go buy their people. We say they kidnap.
Start by saying paying ransom is criminal in Nigeria according to the provisions of our law.
But what do you do?
But the problem we have in most cases here is that families of victims in most cases, they don't carry security operatives along. They get scared because kidnappers always work on their psyche. Don't tell security agents. Don't tell the police. If you do, we are going to kill your relation. So
Senator Ned Nwoko don come dey yarn im mind on top insecurity wey dey happen for inside Nigeria. Im come talk save for am single like make federal government allow people dem make dem carry gun to defend themselves against omila bandits and kidnappers dem. Say because the Nigeria Security Agency they say they don't fear Nigeria, they don't feel secure Nigerian citizens. And he yarn this talk on top Arise Television on Thursday. It'll be February 1st, 2024.
Many people out there who want to be given the opportunity to defend themselves. So I speak on behalf of those ones. But you know that the police and the military cannot defend you.
Mr. Ondova will be one of the director of Federal Housing Authority for inside Federal Capital Territory, Abuja. Some Omila government they don't kidnap them for inside Abuja and for inside that Panabara new extension for Buhari Central area of Federal Capital Territory around that kind 12:30 a.m. on Thursday, February 1st, 2024. Now they kidnap them. So Uniport student them where they stay for inside lodge where they for Aliu. Police then don't go bust their lodge. When they beat some of them, can't even seize their phone and also their laptop, collect money from them for inside Port Harcourt or Rivers State around that kind 1 a.m. midnight on Tuesday, January 30th, 2024. Now this begete happen. One Edo man don't come do this video as a Calabar police then stop him. Don't know saying they carry mama they go hospital say because a mama nowhere. Now so the policemen they gonna tell him say the driver license and in car document now fake document. We make one call even they threaten him. Say anywhere we say see him, he go shoot him. Take bye.
Better we know where blood they come up for your head. Better when they pass for hypertension, what can't go hospital any money. They owe me because they are young. You don't see anything want to collect money for money. They say they drive fake vehicle. Say my paper they fake. See the policeman. See the policeman here. He said anywhere when see me go shoot me. If anything happen to me, one of all these policemen, one of all are responsible.
Imo State Calabar Police Command on Monday, January 29, 2024, with some local hunters they don't go boss and kidnappers they camp where they for inside forest between Avu and Ehengwa as they call arrest 5 of the kidnappers with their name be Mwauzu Awuta, 30 years old, Abdullahi Abubakar, 32 years old, Ozeru Sabu, 25 years old, Sadan Suleiman, 27 years old, Bashir Yahaya, 28 years old, and all of them now for Jau local government area of Jigawa State. Obonge Fire don't go burn the registrar unit for inside University of Calabar, but the fire service did not even show face at all to help them to quench the fire. And this fire casala happened for inside Uniport on Thursday night, February 1st, 2024.
Unical is burning right now. There's fire outbreak just behind Students Affair. We need fire service to come to our aid. Right now, the school is burning. The school is burning.
One Yoruba man wey name be Kehinde John don on the yarn in mind as he come talk say he regret to the way we say he go vote for APC. As he talk say because not be waiting they expect na in they see so say because the sufferness don't come too much. Say him na retired director and waiting in they collect wey federal government they pay him na just 75,000 naira.
I'm regretting for voting for my president and for voting for APC because this is not we voted for. We not voted for suffering. I'm a Yoruba man. I regretted for voting for him because this is not what we bargained for. I'm also a retired director. I'm telling you, a retired director collecting 75,000 naira at federal.
The vice president will be Kashim Shettima don come dey lament because of the economy as him come dey talk come even fire bad man to take give some Nigerians. He come talk say some Nigerians dey happy on top Twitter wey be X after we say they see say naira don fall yakata wey be 1,500 naira per dollar.
But it should define and heartbreaking that yesterday when the naira plummeted to 1,500 to the dollar, sadly, some clowns are celebrating on Twitter.
The Joint Admission Matriculation Board wey be JAMB don catch one central operator and also one other guy wey be say two of them join body go collect one 15-year-old girl phone number wey be say she register as candidate of JAMB. As they come dey use the girl phone number, come dey chat the girl, dey toast the girl, and na the girl mama na she come out on top social media, come dey accuse JAMB before JAMB come take action, come arrest the two people that wey say they join body do that kind thing.
Based on the social media reports that have gone around, that where a mother complained that her 15-year-old daughter was being approached by a staff of one of our CBT centers.
One Ghanaian lady who never really know her name don come out to come yarn on top Yoruba FM for inside Ghana. As in come talk, say in pastor will be founder of New Era Church, will be say dey for inside Kobasi, inside that Ashanti region. They always they make and they drink in spam or anytime we see two of them knack because as in come yarn say because the pastor tell him say if in they swallow him spam, say in head go dey very okay. One woman wey don born 19 children already don even come out to come yarn say she don get another belle to make am 20 children and she not even dey ready to stop to dey born. In as much she see men dem wey go dey knack her kpekus dey give her belle, say she go dey continue to dey born. And her name na Martha from Medellin, Colombia, 39 years old. After wey Nigerians they don dey worry if Super Eagles goalkeeper go play for today match, they don see am on top this video wey be say in dey training wey im name be Stanley Nwabali with some other goalkeeper wey be Francis Ozoko and Olorunleke Ojo, wey all of them dey train together. And this one come show say im go keep for today match wey Nigeria go play against Angola. Yes, na Bishop News O'Clock. My name na Nehi. Make una enjoy your day.